Good morning and welcome back to Sean's Auto Repairs. Somewhere up there, but a quick video today. I went out this morning in my little Peugeot and noticed that one of my headlights were out. So I thought I'd make a quick little video to show you, if you didn't already know, how to change a headlight bulb on a little 206 Peugeot 1400 HDI. So let's get going, let's see what we got or what we haven't got. Alright, so first have a look inside the car. Well, we'll put the what's the wrong switch. That's the headlight switch over there. We put the headlights on dip. We got one side light, and the headlight works okay on this side. On this side, we've got one side light, no dipped headlight. If I flick it onto main, we've got that. Off, side lights, headlights, and main beam. So in the left hand footwell, up under there we have a little lever. Pull that to pop the bonnet. Let's put the bonnet up. Alright, so here we are under the bonnet. If we were doing the offside one, we would need to take this washer bottle filler tube out, which just pushes into the top of the bottle down there. But we haven't got to touch this side because this side's all good. I've got some extra lumens over here so we can see what we're doing. The near side one is just in front of the ABS unit, and so first of all we need to get this black cover off, which is down here. So we'll just move this out of the way. We'll just pull that around there to give you a little bit more access. So to get this black cover off, you need to pull this tab up, pull it back, and then it just comes out from its locating lugs, like so. And then the bulb that we need to change is this one down here. It's a H7 2-pin bulb. So first of all, we need to pull that wiring connector off. You see it down there. Let's get all that, and they pulled off nice and easily. And then there's a metal clip just here, which hooks under this little tang. So we need to push and release that, and then we can push that down, and then the bulb just pulls straight out of there. So if we look at this bulb in the light, where are we? We can see, focus on there, we can see there's no filament in there, it's totally blown. So let's find a new one. So we're going to be replacing it with a Lucas LLB 477, which is a 12 volt 55 watt H7. So let's get it out of there. Right, here's the new bulb. After a bit of dust, because it was a bit dusty in the box, you can see that we've got a nice filament on there. These bulbs you can't touch with your fingers, because if you leave greasy marks on the glass, it tends to build heat spots and will cause premature failure on the bulb. So let's go and put this back in. Right, so that's the hole where it's going down there. Excuse my fingers while I just slot that in there. That slots in there. Then we just need to reattach the little metal clip. you get the bulb in properly. And you be attached to a little metal clip like so, and then you put your 2-pin connector back on. And then all we need to do is to slip this cover back down and clip that back in place. Alright, so there we are, all back together. We'll push this air intake back down, and all we need to do is close the bonnet. Then to test what we got, side lights, headlights. Well, there you go guys, the quick and easy headlight bulb change on a 206 Peugeot 2006. So until the next one, thanks for watching.